In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Glassdoor as a student. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Registering and using Glassdoor as a student to seek jobs, communities, and employment is extremely simple. All that you have to do is register, and during the registration process, you will be able to choose student as one of the options. Keep in mind that if you already registered your accounts and you didn't choose student, during the registration process, to my knowledge, you will have to talk to their support page so they change your current status for you. But if you are still registering to use this service, which is the optimal way to go, all that you have to do is go through the process of signing up. So I'm going to use an email for this video, and don't worry, this email doesn't actually exist. I'm only doing it as an example. You will be able to include your email address here and then a password, and finally create your account to use this service. So once you create your account, the first thing that you will see is this pop-up telling you to get started. One of the options is going to be student, so it is extremely straightforward. As long as you select student from the employment status, you will be able to register to use Glassdoor as a student. So as you can see, what they have to say is that you should select student if you are currently enrolled in a college or university, even if you also work and earn an income, such as a trainee, for example. Once you choose student, you will notice that you have to include a university or college. So included here, there are plenty of options from the drop-down menu that appears once you type something, and then you have to choose your current degree type. Once again, plenty of options. You should answer all of this honestly because a lot of these answers cannot be changed later, so keep that in mind. And you can include the desired job title and the location here. As long as you answer everything accordingly, but most importantly, you select student under the employment status, you will be able to proceed to Glassdoor to start using the service. So this is all you have to do. Like I said, it's very easy. However, if you already have an account inside of Glassdoor and you try to go over to your information, you will notice that you cannot change your employment status at will, so you have to contact their help center. So if you are done being a student or you previously registered and you didn't select student, contact their customer support so they can change it for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Glassdoor as a student. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.